Hi, welcome to our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we're going to see how to select uh, data from our MySQL database table. So let's see the query. We'll see a simple select statement, and we'll also see how to apply criteria, how to select data using criteria. So first, let's select our database and query. So here we'll see select all. Star means all columns. I want to select all columns from the table. Which table? From table student. Now click go. This is our database. This is our data. Select all from table student. All means not all data, which means all columns. All the columns defined here. Now let's see how to select only ID, full name, and birth date. Okay. So go to SQL again. Now here what I want to select is ID, comma, full name. We have to make sure about the spelling. It has to be exactly typed, not case sensitive, but spelling has to be correct. Birth date. Now let's click go and we'll see only the selected columns. All the rows, of course, but only the selected columns. Now let's filter the number of rows. Also let's add. Now let's see our query. Let's see all the columns. Now what I want is I want to filter the data, not the columns, but filter the data. We might be asked to show all the students, all female students, let's say. Show me all female students. Then we have to write our select statement in a way that all the other records will be discarded, not deleted, but removed from our result. So we only show female students. So the criteria now is gender. So let's see how to do that. Now where is our criteria keyword? Where, since the question is female students, then it's on gender. So gender equal to, we have to include single quotation because gender is varchar, its data type is varchar, of course. So gender is female, gender equal to female. Now click go and we only see female students. All rows but female students. The row is filtered now. So I can say now I can filter the columns to select ID, full name, and gender from table student where gender equal to female. Now let's see. Now columns are filtered. I only selected the columns I want to see, exactly the data I want to see, and also the row is, or the list of records is also filtered. Let's see. Let's try composite filter. Let's see our data, full data. Now I want to see female students whose grade is greater than 10, which means I want this. So now we are using combination criteria, multiple criteria, more than one, which means gender equal to female and grade greater than 10. How can we do that? Let's see. Okay, so what we can do is where gender equal to female and, okay, here's the catch, and grade I can use equal to or greater than. or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Now the question is greater than 10. Doesn't include 10, just greater than 10. So greater than 10. Let's click go, and here is our data. Gender is female, grade is 12, greater than 10. Let's try this query. Let's click edit, and let's edit the query. Now what we are going to do is gender male, so nobody, gender male and greater than 10. Now let's see, let's edit the query. Let's make it less than 10. Okay, now we have one student. Let's make it less than or equal to 10. Equal to is included after less than or greater than if you want, but has to be in this order. So now less than or equal to 10 means it includes 10 too. In the previous less than 10 query, we only see 9. We only see this record with grade 9. But when we include less than or equal to, then grade 10s will also pop up. So this is how we are going to implement select statement to read our data from our table, of course from single table. When we we'll see how can we select data from multiple tables when we see about views and also about creating relationships. But right now we want a simple process which shows the number of, or the list of records in a single table with multiple criteria. Okay, now let's edit this query one more time, and let's change or. Let's make it or, which means either of the two criteria. If either of the two criteria are met, then I want to see that record. Let's see. Now we will see a lot of records. I said male, but females are also shown. Why? Because the second criteria is met. Even though they are females, grade is less than or equal to 10, so they should show up. Okay, so this is the difference between and or keywords. Okay, so by this we'll conclude our video tutorial for selection or reading of data from our tables. Thank you very much for watching, and also make sure to subscribe to our video tutorial YouTube channel for notifications of future videos. Thank you very much for watching again.